Hi, welcome to TeckWrap channel. I'm Glory from Lily's Design, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to decor this frosted glass can using adhesive vinyl from TeckWrap. For today's project, we're going to be using these two adhesive vinyl. This is the Mirror Chrome vinyl, and this is the Candy Lollipop vinyl. Both of these vinyls are suitable for different projects, as wall decals, cars, home decor, and more. With anything else to say, let's get started. Before we get started on the program, I'm going to be measuring the frosted glass can so I have the right size for the design. 5 inches. And 10 inches. I'm here on Silhouette Studio and I'm going to add my design to the cutting area. Let's go to merge, and I have it over here. I'm going to be using this design of butterflies, and I'm going to check that the size is right. So this one is 4 inches height and 9.3 inches long. We can size it up a little bit. Now I'm going to ungroup my design so I have it on layers. I'm going to choose the butterflies that are on the top that are gonna be the ones that I'm going to make with the Mirror Chrome vinyl. And once I select them all, I'm going to group them. I will change the color of the butterflies to a yellow one. And now I'm going to select the butterflies that are going to be on the back and group them as well. Now that I have my design over here, I'm going to check that my settings are correct. This is the settings that I use for the adhesive vinyl. This is a custom setting. You can use these settings over here, or you can check on TeckWrapCraft page, and they have also some settings for each type of vinyl. Now I'm going to be pasting the adhesive vinyl to the cutting mat so I can send them to cut. I have my cutting mat over here, and now I'm going to be pasting the Candy Lollipop vinyl on it. Now we're going to put it on the cameo so it cuts. Now I'm going to be doing the same with the Mirror Chrome vinyl to cut the other part of our design. This vinyl has a protective film, so we're going to remove it before we cut it. Now I have both of my vinyl pieces right here with the designs, and I'm going to be doing the weeding of them with my weeding pen from TeckWrap. Now that I make the weeding of my two vinyl pieces, I'm going to be pasting them on the frosted glass can. I'm going to be using this right here so I can put my glass can And now I'm going to use this part first, and I'm going to be placing a transfer tape on top of it so I can paste it on my glass can. I just got my piece of transfer tape. Now let's take out the transfer tape, and now we're going to start to paste our design on the glass can. We're going to start from the side. And now I'm going to use my squeegee so I make sure that my design stays on the glass can. This time I'm pasting the vinyl's own parts, but you can paste this one on top of this one and then paste it on the glass can. Now we're going to remove our transfer tape. Very careful. And here's our result. If you see any bubbles on the vinyl, you can use the wetting pen to release those air bubbles, just like this. Very careful. And there you go, you don't have bubbles there. Now let's paste the gold one. Now I'm going to paste it carefully on top of the back. And there we go. Now I'm going to do the same with my TeckWrap squeegee. And now let's remove our transfer tape to see the final result. Always doing it carefully. And here we have our glass can. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I really love it. Now I'm going to put the lid and the straw on it so I can show you the final result. And here's the result of our glass can using the adhesive vinyl. Remember that we used the candy lollipop vinyl and the mirror chrome gold vinyl. And look at those details. Like, I love the colors, I love the contrast that they make together, and I really love how it turned out. So let me know in the comments if you like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on notifications so you can find out every time we upload a new video. See you in the next one. Bye!